Lila's been having trouble getting up and down, and she's had a lot of anxiety lately.
Okay.
All right, Lila, will you stand up? Up, good girl. Okay, now we're just gonna check your pulses here. And from the acupuncture point, that's just a sign of something's interfering with, we'll call it the normal energy flow in the body. Okay. These are called spring 10 needles. They're used once. They're very fine so that they rarely induce any type of discomfort. Now, when you're doing acupuncture, if you hit a point that's sensitive, that's a good thing. That's where the needle needs to go. You typically see a reaction. It's more of a heaviness that's felt if a person can describe it. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to start. So Lila's had anxiety. So there's specific points up at the top of the head that can definitely help with the anxiety. And that's what we want to make sure that we're starting to treat with. Good girl, Lila. Good girl. And so these points definitely help with any type of anxiety. Now, there are 12 regular channels and 14 channels that are commonly used, and then what they call 8 extraordinary channels. So when we come down her back, we're sticking these needles in very specific points to help with her problems. These points also communicate with the internal organs. So you can treat conditions such as kidney disease, liver disease, dogs that have leaking bladders that wake up and you notice that there's a puddle of urine. This can be very effective at treating that. In an ideal world, this is used to prevent conditions as opposed to waiting until you have a problem. We treat a lot of dogs with heart issues with this. Besides the other organs I mentioned, we treat cancer patients. We're not curing the cancer. We can see how she reacted there. That is a very good point, and that will give her long-term some very good relief. And now, right now, just because this is Lila's first treatment, we're sticking to a specific area and just treating the main condition. Now, sometimes what happens as you treat one condition, it gets better than other conditions start to pop up because they've been hiding, and then you treat those and try to get the body back to its normal functional self. As I say, she's not reacting in any negative way, but these needles are very fine. They're very easy to place without the patient feeling much discomfort, if any. As I say, these points up here will help with her anxiety. These points here will help with her back pain, but they also would help with any type of organ dysfunction that's going on. There are many points. Some of them are more down the limbs that we use, but it all depends on the condition. No two pets are alike. When we treat this, we're treating each pet as an individual and trying to correct the problem that pet has.